Hey, hi. So my name is Abhi Saxena. I have deployed my project of feedback, feedback between managers and employees. I have deployed into the Vercel app. So I'll show you the how this website works. First, if you are a new user, so you have to give your name. I have a registered name which is called employee one, and I have to give the password also here. And also you can decide your role between managers and employee. First of, if you are an employee, you can there's a list of manager which is already there, but just you have to choose between choose between the list. Suppose I have chosen a manager one, then I can register myself as it is already registered, so it shows that it is already registered. So we go to the login page. So here, first I will show you how the employee functions works, then we'll go to the manager things. So I'll log in as an employee. So employee has a power of see the feedbacks of the given by the managers. Suppose he can see that these are the feedback. So he can see the list of feedback which is already given there. Or also when you try to log in as a manager, so when you try to log in as a manager, manager has a two functionality. First of all, he can give the feedback to the employee assigned to him, or he can see the history. So what are the feedbacks in the past which is given by him to this employee. So I'll give the in this employee give feedback. So for the feedback, when I click on the give feedback, it already also fetches the email of that employee, and we can suppose he is at good at front end, suppose, and also he needs to improve UI, sorry, backend. Yeah. So it's like a neutral sentiment. So you can choose between these sentiments, positive, neutral, negative, as given in the problem statement there. So now we can like submit the feedback. When you submit the feedback, it shows that it already submitted successfully. So you can also view the history, the past feedback which is given by you. So in you can view history. Like this is the uh, like uh, feedback which is given by manager to the employee. So you can also update this feedback by clicking on the edit option. By clicking on the edit option, so I suppose you like some changes in the feedback. So you can save this statement and it already feedback in the song. Suppose you are a employee and you want to see what are the feedback which is given by you, which was given by manager to you. So you just log in as a manager employee, sorry, and log in as an employee one, which is the feedback given by manager one. Okay, so there's some issue. So yeah, as you can see, I can log in here. So in the end, you can see that this is the uh, feedback which is given, which is by the manager. So you can acknowledge this feedback. If you can acknowledge, it will transfer to the yes. So it can see that. So I've completed all the problem statement things which is given by the form, which is given in the form. As a manager has two functions, which can he can see the list of the employee which is assigned to him. He can give the feedback to the employees. He can give multiple feedback to the employees, and also he can edit or update the feedback which is given in the past, or also can see the history of the feedback. And in the from the point of view employee, he can uh, he can see the feedback which is given by the managers. He can assign a manager. He can acknowledge the feedback which is given by the manager. So these are the functionality which is implemented by me. So thank you. If you have any doubts, please reach out to me.